Because them know. Me are the only one where we tell them, say, all your millions are going to shove in your mama. Who you are ramping? Me outlive your millions.
All right,
you know what is everybody gets signed, me outlive them. I want to, listen, my man. On the door, hey, listen to me. All right, I promise, Father God, I'm not going to curse another bad word. It's Sunday. I'm trying not to.
So, Tony, all right. I could go back to the argument we are dealing with, and I could remove from that because people would think all fans stay. I tell you, all fans stay. Fans is like this. When the artists them, you help them and build them career and then start to get the new fans and all these things.
Then them feel like them are the man.
Them switch. Then switch. See? But anyhow, by your General Bounty Killer, even also being a man, because I'm a part of it, because when you vice Bounty Killer, you have to vice being a man. Or when you vice Mavada, you have to vice Cartel. What we are saying, what happened last night, I just want you to look back for the people. I mean, you're not bow, you're not do nothing, or you're not disrespect. But I understand you to where you're forward from. I'm glad that you're on your life. I'm going to go get look at work, you know, and all these different things. You acknowledge me, you accept me. And you understand? And I feel good.
Yeah.
See? The whole away need to fix that thing how it's supposed to fix. Because guess what, Tony Mataran? You're the leading selector at the moment in your different world.
It can't fix.
It can't fix, man.
It can't fix.
Mataran, it can't fix.
It can't fix.
With me now. No,
Nothing. Me make you eat a food and it's all good, but it can't fix with me and them.
Why it can't fix, Tony Mataran?
It can't fix.
Why it can't fix?
Me I tell you it can't fix. Remember say
somebody that must say no fear look work. Then when me see them about look work.
Yeah, wanna give enough for some work.
If you look around ground now go and you no must look work. What you want to do?
Wanna give enough for some work. Big man thing. I'm a general, wanna give him some work. Yeah.
Mataran.
But me tell you something. You know I can't fix?
Yeah.
There are certain things where my wall, but me know it can't fix.
No, because we no go gullible.
And them know, all right, you see, remember I said at decades, what I mean wall certain things to uphold them, you know. Some people may talk about unity is strength. Let me teach you one thing where I know it can't fix. You see, all dirty wine, make it can't fix. Not with me. Somebody else will come after me, can probably try to fix it. It can't fix with me. You know why? Remember say when me step out, first thing, them never rate selector from morning, and a selector boss them.
Right.
See?
I understand that.
I'm a go so. I understand me show them. Say God does work with me as a power unit, you know. God make me bigger than a selector, you know. Yeah. You remember when Dirty Wine? And that's so why people think enough people don't even know why me ease off a recording, you know. Because he said if I never stop recording, me would end up have to kill one of my own.
So why, but yes, I need a selector. Remember,
say everybody start fight against me.
Why not get pressured? And you will have a Bounty Killer umbrella.
Yeah, but guess what? Charlie Blacks didn't break the ice as how I did. The way, remember, you did it. Remember, nothing. All right, I'm glad I'm here. At some point in our life, remember, and me close Sting. Oh, our selector close Sting.
Yeah.
Oh, our selector was the most highlighted person. I think when me and
because the artists them get gullible and start to behave somewhere and now support each other and now support the show again.
All right. And before that, you saw it Dirty Wine. You see the amount of fight on you get? The amount of fight on you get from artists. I told me not call name. I'm gonna say certain things. The amount of fight.
Right, look.
First thing them say, oh, Mataran an artist. All when me I lock down the world. And Dirty Wine caused a bag of enemies where me just at some point I'm a machine. Them I pick up and just say, I want Brooklyn thing. So
who did that fight your panda? Who did that fight against you?
Nothing.
But remember you're gullible, you know.
I don't.
Talk your mind.
No, you see the part there. That's why the part they're walling on me are so powerful.
So, all right, and if that is a problem, Tony Mataran, and if I'm disagreeing with Beanie and Bounty Killer, yeah, get gullible over it. So why you not this? Why you can't say what you say and talk, my brother?
That's why me I try to tell you, say the whole of them fight selectors too much, and for years we watch them fight selectors who help them.
I can't say this now. There's a part of your set of people where fight against Sting.
True that.
That I know. Even the, you see, your blood clot. Man, we're going to get history, you know. If you see people that were keep that up last night, met Beenie Man and Bounty Killer don't talk nothing about Sting. And when you look, the promotion I come from Sting. A Sting promotion depend on Switch Beats, everything. A Sting, you see, it was about Sting. A Sting make everything happen. And the promoter who helped keep it with Switch Beats, tell Beenie and Bounty Killer. And I know that. You hear Beenie and Bounty Killer talk nothing about Sting?
Well, me never watch it, you know. Me just see some of the clippings.
Because politics. See?
Then that me tell them say, in other business, it's so much politics.
You see her on the thing every minute. You see her on the thing every minute. Make sure Beenie and Bounty Killer and say nothing about Sting because they don't want to bring it back. Because for them show back down and they don't want to come back. But Sting is one of the ultimate history. See?
Remember some defense thing all the while.
It is the father, mother.
Yeah, because it is a birthright. But
it's birth as an artist.
May not be nice to listen to me.
A big crab in a barrel. You saw the crab in a barrel go. And one way the crab in a barrel go on. I understand you, you know.
That's why I tell them say, me I come from a dark place.
You're educated, you. No one reason I tell the people, let me tell you, why you go level.
Yeah, because me I come from a dark place where for years, they've been fighting against my time. So if me say, me no business, you know.
Yeah, man, then me at
and it's not nothing to do with bad mind. Me know things where 90% of these fans where would have chat. They don't even know. And me can't say certain things because if I say certain things, then would I hate the whole fucking lot, the whole fraternity. So when you come from a dark,
hold on. Me glad hold on. Me glad me there on your show. See, I me just want to say this one time. Sting. You see? Birth of certain female artists. See? Sting. Birth of certain female artists. To the industry before she could be a recording artist. You know what am I talking about?
Oh, my girl?
No. You know which girl I'm talking about? Which female artist sing? Was Sting boss?
My Queenie you talk about?
Eh?
My Queenie?
Mr. Sting.
Oh, Mama?
Yeah.
Then my Queenie? Then me call her Queen? Spice?
Who me attack?
Oh, Spice?
Alright.
Then of me say Queen Spice?
Well on. More see like how you quarrel about you come from a dark place with Bounty Killer. Do you think she, the position and the place where she reached, you have ever heard her trying to help back a Sting?
Well, Missy, she do Sting. When was the last time?
Mataran, no bother fix no argument like you want fix.
No, me not fix nothing. But me I say, Missy, she do
fix
Sting.
up the argument.
But she did do Sting.
Yeah, me not talk about that.
We are
talking.
talking.
Help bring it back like how when Lady Star never want be and Sting, our posters get big side of the Bounty Killer, the Sizzler and the Cape and all of them things. She do it so long that she never need a 45.
You don't know if you eat it.
I'm not idiot, but I say thing you quarrel about.
True.
People help them, but them don't help nobody.
Well, you got a point.
What's in the total idiot to run?
I nearly slide out type here.
No! Nobody make me mash up the friendship. You hear? We can move on. So,
no, but
I them something I may show you. That's right, bro.
Yeah, so that's
why I need to fix up my youth.
That's why I tell them.
We have too much thing about we fuck up, we bad mind.
That's why I tell them say, me no bad mind, me just get ignorant. There's a difference. You understand?
Yes, see me. I see me go put in. I see me go water about me to turn off, and I see me around there. I want to do.
See,
good enough.
Listen me, nothing.
Yeah.
You see the whole thing. That's why people, when they understand, when them see we come from a dark place, then we think a bad mind and a bad mind. I just reach my blood clot full and just say,
Yeah.
Who not
I understand you, Mr. Tony.
Me ignorant for them. I no bad mind, me bad mind them. Kind of like, I don't like them. I put on food on them table, and me not put on food. Them I put on food, and me I put on food. So me no bad mind them, but me ignorant for no.
Somebody say, why you fire? Why not fire so much shot? Because me's like Tony Matterhorn and me ready, you know. But
me just want, then I try to tell them say, yo,
me just like what happened last night.
And then guess what? You see the common folk. You see the common folk when I know betrayal. Them feel when you lash out, a bad mind, but they don't know why you lash out.
Yeah.
Because the average person, I wait upon you to tell them why you lash out. You feel like if you offend me, me have to tell you, say, oh, that man, you offend me. I clot up in blood clot.
Matterhorn.
You understand me?
Why? It's
So
a reason for you to do this, and it happens for a reason. And me respect your come and explain now. So now them understand why you have a go level.
Yeah, but yeah, because guess what? Yes, when you go some clot, it will come off as you bad mind, you know. Because
no, them
the average person don't know where you come from, so them will look on like, oh, a bad mind, a bad mind. Me not have not name bad mind. You see Pisces people, no bad mind people. Pisces people just tell you about your mama and gone. We no bad mind. Me not have time for that. Bad mind people, them look old and wither down and them just age rapidly. Me age gracefully. Because me not have bad mind. But yes, when me have enough, me is one of them people, yes, when me have enough, me have got clot you.
Me look good at age too, no matter what you do. Me age you feel like me a young boy. Me age to like you, I want to.
You understand? When no, yes, when me I say no, nothing. And that's the difference with me. Over the years, remember me and Killer no friend, you know.
Yeah.
Remember when me do, 99% of people in the business probably would have want to do with Killer and afraid, you know.
Yeah.
Remember, Killer is a brute force. We love him, but he's also that iron fist. Allow me to tell, over the years, Killer is that iron fist that punches.
Yeah.
When Killer goes and punch, have a matter and I say, Killer, and me a punch.
Yeah.
And Mars me come from, you know. What? I so come me a Killer not agree up to this day. Because remember me a Killer like so, you know. Me a Killer, you see when me a Killer go at it and war, you know. And people say, Matterhorn no one nice person.
Yeah.
Because me no believe in a wallet. Me no know name wall nothing. Me no know name wall nothing. Me no afraid. Me no store nothing.
Yeah. So you're right, boss. You're right.
Me no wall. And that's the difference with me and not for them. them coming like them we see somebody abusive and them wall it. Me no know that. That not in my DNA.
Yeah.
That's why me tell them I come from Mars. Me no wall things.
So that's why me never want them.
That's why
a bad mind then say when me know none of that.
That's why me no care when them say me bad mind. Me know where me I come from and know say me not have no bad mind on me. So if you feel like my bad mind, God go with you. Pick a number.
Anyway, Matterhorn, you watch it last night?
No, me that sleep.
You said go on good though.
Yeah.
I me feel good.
Yeah, me here said go on good and me tell them say yeah.
Who you hear said take it?
Boy, I don't know who win, you know. me see World Dog put up one video.
We do.
All right, so like how me never did it, who take it?
Yeah, I mean I ask, right?
Yeah.
Me I ask how the fans.
You, cause you are the
referee.
The referee. Who take it?
Well, it was a great show. And if it to be a decision, I would have given Bounty Killer.
Oh.
Why? The energy we Bounty forward with him ready feet. Yeah, I mean, but Beanie never really that much prepared. But Beanie is a skilled person. Every time I see like Bounty Killer ready for go, so I'm ready to put up the guy. Hey, where you the Bounty Killer? You understand?
Oh, so it was more like a, you know?
Yeah, but it's not a clash where winner, but the energy where
the energy was good.
The energy was good, but Bounty Killer had more energy to the game.
Somebody said Bounty win it. And they said
no, that's why I explained to you now as the referee. Bounty had the energy to the game. You understand?
Same. But both
Yo,
entertainers did good.
Him entertain us, you know, and we like it. You understand? And that the people them did want the whole entire time, and that the people them want that them did want to see. Them did want to see the DJ, but I like how it played out for the music, come right through. It teach the youth them something. You understand? It teach the youth them will like go on internet, go clash, and don't want to come clash on stage.
Yeah.
You understand? So that's why you even cost Alkaline, because Alkaline misled the music for this last couple minutes while going in a dance hall. The energy lose. Because when Alkaline and Popcorn never come do no clashing, nothing at all. Dance hall kind of get a little bit low because they never come and sing, come do nothing. And they understand the essence of a dance hall, say come with clash. You understand? These internet clash kind of slow down the dance hall. You know that.
Yeah.
See? Because the dub plate them where you usually get from artists, the respect and all these things where you usually get from artists. It reach to a level where you told them at
It reached to a level when me never look for artists. Come tell a guy.
No, that's why I explain.
I know some is a face the boy.
That's why I explain to you now. Tony Mataran, Firelinks, Trooper, Panther.
Me not do that someday. Why you think me stop clash?
Yeah.
Why you think me stop clash?
No, but
because
no, well I know.
First thing, nothing. First thing, most of these nowadays artists, them walk with an entourage and me walk with bullets. So bullets, entourage, and Mataran ignorance, now go work. Man over there. Some of you never look on people. Some of you never look on a guy because the only time a guy can try style Mataran is if he know me have a clash with Nuffy and he know Mataran gonna need some dub. Which you remember them do that already before. Them see me have clash and through them know Mataran feisty. This is the only way we can get back at Magic Boy. We now go give him the tune and try style me. And you know me, I go see them in them entourage and them come and say, go suck your mother. So you go like you don't want to give me the tune. Oh yeah, yeah, boy.
And them know say you
and them know say half a winner entourage can't step to Mataran because the first man make a step. Landmine.
Mataran. That's why I say make me talk to you, no, sir. The older artists them, when you do that to them just laugh and know say magic that. But the new one them will come now.
We test them. Because them don't understand and them don't understand.
Them don't understand the system.
That's why that little one there pass him fucking place.
Yeah, you could have go far with him.
Yeah, I'm gonna say, you see, no understand.
No, you have to stay trained because you're elder to him, you know. Him no understand.
Him no understand the madness will come behind Magic Son.
See?
But
so when I say
he heard after.
When I say Mataran, the people them get your point, them understand you, them know what I want. Me I say more you set a standard for these selectors because you have a certain type of respect but enough of them care for you. See?
I never like the guy them know.
Yeah, but you Magic, it's only when you're hungry like how foot I get hungry whether you like me and get hungry because you're not hungry right now. So you know
my belly full. never assassin should give it.
Well I know. Put a forward back and hungry, so I'm right. See? So when they to me right, hungry reach me. See?
Yeah.
So you're not hungry right now.
That's why me I tell some people say, I don't hungry, I'm a bad mind.
No, me I tell you say you're not hungry. No, you're not hungry.
But all right.
You lose these and get it back, you know.
Then me I try to tell them say, me not
you lose green card and get it back, you know.
Then me I tell them say, me not hungry. And nothing. At the time when me lose it, at them time me I eat.
Then me see you, me know, you book out.
That's why me I try to tell them say, me not have a bad mind blood in me, you know. Me just a person who just talk my mind. And if you don't know,
something you don't understand. What most selectors don't do like you, they are history virgin. So you need for just Lego, help me and my artist. Let me take a one promotion offer. Me can't get a one promotion offer than it, yeah? My artist name Frasil, Shana S, Bad Girl Jade, Sassy Pearl.
Hey, Bad Girl Jade, I play her song with it. Listen, me tell her I do my dub play. Me send her around Wicked Jade, that way one name. Me send her birthday. I play her Tuesday. Me big her up on her birthday. I mean, I see she said me no dub plate yet.
No, she go do your dub plate, man. No, Remember your name, Matara.
Big up yourself, Jade. Sassy.
She love you and she respect you.
Where the next one name? Where the next one name? Frost?
Frostil.
Frostil. So,
Yeah,
no fear to send people. Only look out for them. No
Yeah.
fear. Them not understand. We no world grudge, you know. Them not understand. It's when me say something, me just say when me say, I
Them man,
like it, just
them
like it.
They
No,
know all the internet cussing now when you're
then that me I try make them know say me don't have a problem with nobody, you know.
What do you think about Frostil?
Which one are Frostil?
Frostil Cartel brother.
Me yet to hear about him.
All right, go make you about him.
Send two other song me hear, but me know bad girl Jade.
Yeah, bad girl Jade bad.
Yeah, she bad. She bad. To me,
Bad.
to me, I one of the baddest little thing in a long while.
You see, these are the things that I'm saying. That's why I'm saying about your friend. I'm saying about your friend. These are the things that I'm talking about. This when me I try to hold on. Your friend. This when me I try to help your friend and take her out of the gutty, out of the gully, the trench, and the pit and everything.
Here's somebody. Nothing don't start agree with him. Listen me tell you already. Today is Sunday. I'm going to use about 5 bad words. I don't want to use no more. Pampute, big up yourself. See Pampute.
See your friend, I say, see your friend Pampute say, I say, no boy and girl, listen, can't friend her.
Who that?
But I remember, say, I try to fix life in a Pampute.
Well, your Pampute no good?
Yeah, cause all right, you and me and Pampute no good now.
Pampute and the germs are good. And
yeah, you and me are no good now. Remember, say, Missy she go to Bams and talk a subliminal argument of Shensia. And me just go say.
Yeah, somebody, well, I hear somebody about wrong time. I shouldn't voice my opinion. I voice my opinion and it DM me feel like. You feel like if me get up today, I feel like a clot you, me not have a clot you. You're a sad mistake.
Listen up. When I talk about what even Pampute should not understand. Because we say, just like what you would do, you will say your thing, but when you see them might come like the new people, and when you see them might make up their face and they might go on and and she take up for your sister and say, oh, my sister. And when me look, me see my sister now do much for her.
The Pampute guy say.
Yeah, but boy sister now do much for her, and she hungry now too, you know, bad enough.
Oh.
Pampute hungry bad and the sister now do much for her.
But Pampute go alright because our son.
No, she not go alright. She hungry then now.
Yeah, but
like me a foot high.
But guess what?
Hungry like me a foot high right now. When I'm the sister, all the sister do every time. Well, I know. Let me tell you something.
But Pampute go alright now. She go alright now in her life.
Wait, no.
She hungry back for the vibe. She not hungry as in literally hungry. She not hungry as in literally hungry. She hungry back for the vibe.
Oh, you mean about she hungry? And you know what too? Foot hungry, me hungry, and Pampute hungry. We hungry like damn. And you know what too?
Why you mix up people and say them hungry?
Because I see her and say no boy I can't friend her and we just talk about that. Them not understand the matter.
Pampute say what you know about that. She's not hungry.
And when we buck up, a different thing.
We're hungry for the music.
And that you.
We're not hungry for food.
Yeah, no, but she said, and her mother. We know son of your mother, but you defend her over me the other day. I don't understand when you're not a forward farm. When she did hungry, me feed her. No, me hungry, she not look for me. She didn't talk
no, all right, nothing.
Foot are hungry like what?
No, we are gonna get food.
Foot are you hungry, man?
Your foot are there.
Foot are you hungry? Because if you're hungry, you could have helped fully body when you're supposed to help him. You're hungry like me. Foot are you hungry, body? And you know too.
What foot are there?
Foot are, let me show you you're hungry.
Foot nothing. Well, I'm drying foot. I'm drying. Foot away there. No, I can't deal with this. Big up yourself, Pampute. Yo, enough is there. Me hungry, Pampute hungry, foot hungry. Imagine hungry. I'm not hungry because I just wake up and eat some breakfast and thing and drink some juice. I'm not hungry. Me is just a mad person when I start my mind and people just not understand why matter and talk in mind. Me just start my mind because me know a bigger story to the whole thing. But as I say, big up to the show and everything. But when Swiss Beat attack off him out and talk about, oh, you this my platform and blue blah blah and ray, when I never go on their platform, I never diss their platform. Because if I diss them, they would hear it. Because it's not like when I talk, I care who want to jump on it or not. But me never diss them platform. Me just say, me no uphold with it. And everybody jump. Oh, I'm bad mind. Oh, I'm this true. Me say, me no uphold with it. Yo, Bambute said me have food in my house. Bambute, nothing. I just messing my message. Actually, he and him no friend. And him just what. Then, you see it? When I tell me if I fix it and nobody know how to fix it. You know what I'm saying? Where the dopes there? What are dopes? You must say, me if I fix it. The deal, me da fix nothing. Them ungrateful set of people, me da fix nothing. You know what I say? Roll refresh. Big up yourself. Me just talk my mind and some people they vex. So me just clear up, make them know. Say no, it not nothing to do with a bad mind. You just have to do. Anyways, yeah. Pampete, big up yourself. Little more, we have a pool party going. So, the come in for the pool party, well on there. Pampete, well on there. Hold on there. Hold on, add footer. Sure, hold on the footer. Can't do this. Hold on there. Footer.
Yo.
Footer just wake up to us that. But wake up about 4 o'clock. Me wake up as the cut here call me. Here cut it. What are you wicked? We call police. I say, what? Me there, I'm sleep. Man, fool.
I'm up from about 3.
Me wake up about 4 o'clock. Me wake up. But say, yo, me call police. Me say, what meme Footer? Me wake up to a meme this morning. Say, me call police.
When I hear me?
Yeah, man, right
here. Hear me?
Yeah, man, right here.
Okay, I found in my phone now. With this Instagram account.
Man, them say, my buy, my call police. Them wicked. True, me talk my mind. Them vex. That's it. Joke this. But never know that I can't talk my mind. Like, me have a special day for talk my mind. Oh, Tony, don't talk your mind today. Talk your mind today.
Here go on, Magic. Here go on. I think you bring it across. Like,
yeah.
Because here I know. Me share basically the same views and sentiments that you share. See?
Yeah.
But maybe I just you say it.
Yeah, because you know we're not a filter.
Remember say me go live and me say the same thing, but me say it in a basically a different order.
Yes.
Because yes, I am very appreciative of the fact that these hip-hop pioneers can gravitate to our music so that they want to go keep a platform, take bounty and be in it, project them work, them body of work over the years. That is great.
Yeah.
Where my problem is now is not with Swiss Beats, is not with the platform that them have, is not with that. My problem is with...
I have a problem with Swiss Beats, which I said it. But some people running.
Well, I know. I just the way I deal with it. Because we have a growing problem in Jamaican music industry, which is like a cancer, where the younger artists keep learning from the older artists. Same like politics with the government, present government, learn from the older government.
Yeah.
Them go in there with a vision. Yes. And when them go in there now, them learn from the older politician them and do the same thing. You understand what I say? So
Yeah.
them go with the vision and lose the vision by the time they become stalwart politicians. Them
Yeah.
learn from the elders. So here what I go on. I ask them a day upon my life, say, if them can show me one selector where was an artist, and that artist ever look upon them and buy them a car, just as simple as a car, to show gratitude for what them do for them. Just like just say, me selector, you boss me, and I make millions, I'm rich now. See a car, I go and drive and look nice in a car. I never go house, you know. I never go house. But
Yeah.
if we look on the hip hop market, we can see Green Lantern, big DJ, Swiss Beats, which is a DJ for Rough Riders, who become a producer,
And become
who
an entrepreneur.
become a giant, where him even richer than some of the artists them where him used to work for. See? Then you have DJ Khaled, we used to work for Fat Joe as a DJ. See? Fat Joe put him on, make him meet people. When him have rhythm, Fat Joe record for him, make him produce. Rick Ross, the whole of them give the strength. See? So him end up become a giant also. See? In Jamaica, we are not seeing that. If we even ask for jingle or dub play, we not get it. So my thing is.
So that's why I want to know your reach car.
No, but me just show you. No, because you know regular people might understand our car term is different from where we go through for dub plate or jingle. So basically what media say, me now bash work Swiss them at because it's great for us. But what I am bashing is Wood, Bounty and Beanie give that same performance to a Foota Hype or a Mataran or a Sky Juice or a Stone Love.
And they wouldn't.
They would not do it.
They would not
it's
do
like,
it.
What me use for example now, Magic. Big up Shani B. Nah, knock Shani B.
Yeah, me didn't talk about it yesterday.
Well, BBC One Extra comes to Jamaica very regularly. Then, and them call 10, 15 artists to come perform and make them documentary and them show them have loud. Then the artists them get up, get ready, get them bands or whatever and go and perform for free. 10, 12 artists, all if artists and artists not talk, them go. Because it's BBC One Extra. If me do a documentary man and call artists, they're not coming.
They're not going to do it.
That's where the problem is.
And
so that's where people...
that's where I come from, Foota. That's why
yeah, but Maggie, the way you explain it.
Then the way you explain it, get the fucking people them involved. And them get involved.
No, Maggie, more time, you have to understand, say, it's like when we are watch World Cup, see? And we are watch World Cup, and we say Messi out there, and Messi get a ball and kick it and it dash, and we say, oh, Messi not score that, I eat that up.
Yeah.
But we not there to see the exact angle when the accuracy, and we don't know the wind speed, we are blow with the ball. See? So the people, them outside, where I look in now, them don't know the depths of
where
artists treat selector.
Yeah.
You understand? Artists don't treat selector good. See, whether you Radar Man even get more mileage than hardcore selector.
Then that me just tell you a while, Foota, they respect the producer, they respect the rhythm man, but you don't respect the man who is playing the song every night. Oh, you not respect that man there.
Wait, I'm see what Sharon say. Wait.
Oh, you don't respect that what that man said.
I don't agree with you guys. Sorry, this is bring the culture bigger and wider. Sure, we now say no. Listen, we want to pay attention. What Swiss Beat did yesterday was massive. It was huge. See? It was a great look for the culture. You know why nobody in Jamaica has that platform that we could do something the magnitude of Timbaland or Swiss Beats? Because we were never empowered by the same artists that we make into millionaires.
All right, look on this.
That's the whole problem.
Foota, hold on. Don't mean to stop you. Look and say a DJ Khaled. You remember one time when Khaled come to Jamaica, what day? And me say, what to do Khaled come to Jamaica? And some fans jump up, Mataran, you see him bad mind, and then afterwards them come down and beg Mataran, say, oh, when they thought Khaled come to, at the first Khalid I come to Jamaica, when Khalid showed they sitting in at the parish, and I talk about Yardman thing, I'm say, I'm not flattered by that, because Khalid know better. And they were like, oh, Mataran, you see him bad man, you saw him bad man. I'm say, bad man no blood clot. Look how long me and Foota them I bring Khalid to Jamaica and them know the truth. And know the truth. And when them see the picture,
the people them not know that. No,
but guess what? When them go see the picture, them put up and them say, Khalid, I'm Mataran youth. Then them back up in them check. I say, me no wait for people to figure out on myself. Me don't figure out what's what. And say when me I say, oh, I have a problem with it. I have a problem.
But watch this now. Even when Khalid come to Jamaica with cash money at the time. And me and Khalid apart, and me and pass record for Khalid while him a mix. Cause I never used to talk them time there.
Then
he used to just chuck. But me gonna get into that much. Me not straight from the point of what we are talking.
Yeah.
The point of what we are talking about is people don't understand what we are saying. If we were empowering each other, we wouldn't have to depend on a Swiss Beat or a Timbaland to give away $500,000 people for our life. Because we would have been just as huge as the artists, and we could have done it ourselves. This is what is not happening, but these artists don't empower themselves. Meaning them don't empower themselves, them don't empower what created them.
Them don't empower we.
A selector create the artist. Artists have him talent.
Album. Oh, all right.
You can't.
Remember,
you can't.
Mataran could be the Jamaican version of Khalid, but I can't do it because they will not. First thing they must say, Mataran are gonna get bigger. Them not gonna do it.
No, but watch out now.
Them not gonna do it. You know, long way of rhythm, and them wouldn't do it.
Well, I know. Watch this magic. DJ Khalid is not an artist. He's not an artist. He can't rap. Me can DJ, you can DJ. Khalid can't rap. Right. Khalid put out over 10 albums now, and the whole of them sell platinum. Why you think Khalid could have able to do that? Because when him call Rick Ross,
because the respect,
Rick Ross is, watch this now. Rick Ross is going to Vice. Yes. When him call Chris Brown is going to give him the strength. When him call any one of the artists them where in a hip hop, them give the strength.
If we call,
them not do it.
That's why when me see somebody call now on the run like a little skettle, me I go ignorant. What you mean if me go ignorant? I'm not bad mind, me I ignorant.
Magic, me now want cuss. Yeah, I see him think we have the problem now because you cuss. We want dialogue. We don't want cuss. Somebody just comment and say, so what if a man not sing, we won't have to play. Let me explain to you now. Sly and Robbie. Well, I know Magic. We are Magic. Sly and Robbie put out an album with the Rhythm Alone.
Rhythm Alone.
And it sell platinum. Rhythm Alone. Now, we play separate genres. We don't have to play a particular artist.
We can play from different
genres. We can play where we feel to play. That's why selectors are getting a respect because artists feel like we have to play them now. We can play Ongo regular too, you know. We can play Ongo one.
All right.
We're done at already, you know.
Foota, you wasn't here. You wasn't out yet. You see, they ask anybody on live. The first 3 weeks of quarantine, ask anybody. Me did live 3 weeks straight without playing dancehall. The first three set of live, them 3 weeks what a live me did, Foota. I didn't even play dancehall. I play a different genre of music. That's people I say, boy, Mataran, me never know, say, I saw your backstage. I saw your creative. Them not understand. You see, as I'm telling you, Foota, the man them respect the man who build rhythm. Them respect the man who produce. And them don't
you reach too far. You reach too far. You reach too far. Them respect the shatter. See?
Yeah.
Them respect the gunman.
A gunman on them, yeah.
Them respect the girl them where I lick them balls. Not saying enough to respect the girl them, you know, for sexual purposes. But these females don't write songs. These females don't play songs. These females don't go out there and promote you.
Somebody said therapy is needed in dancehall. Yes, it's needed in dancehall.
If a man, watch out now, if a man have 10 girl, I guarantee you, I go to one woman alone will help him burn some CD. The next 9 of them, now want to see him. Then take money and go do ear and nails and everything. So them are minus from your career. Yep. You can't have somebody around here where help write song, where help produce song, and I go there go bust the song them
and you don't respect that person.
All right, wait, let me explain to them people here how much money make when a song bust. See? First thing, artists make money off a stage show. If you don't have a hot song, you're not get no show.
Sure.
See? Nobody in America or Canada or England is going to call you if you not have no song.
If you're not a song.
See?
So we know
So
that.
this is the first standpoint. Big up Swiss Beats and big up Timbaland. But Timbaland would not know Bounty Killer or Beenie Man if it wasn't for selectors.
So
And Sky Juice and Stone Love and Kilimanjaro them and basically Soundman project the artist. See? So this is just reality in the people. We not try quarrel and we not be. Because even realize now, Magic. It's when you talk to somebody about something them not have no knowledge of. We can't even cuss them because them don't know better.
But it's true, me not have the time for babysit nobody.
No, but it's not Magic, all on a babysit. That's why the backlash are forward because them not understand.
I don't consider it as a backlash. I just consider
Magic, it's a backlash because the way it come across, it come across the wrong way.
Yeah,
so
but
we want them to overstand. We want them to overstand.
Like
me no artist. Alright, watch me. I said to them now. You have an artist named Ricky Tiki. Him a DJ from me I do electrical work at Mar Valley. Him have more songs. We can produce 10 albums.
True.
But none of them not it because them not play. So if the selector not play the song, Swiss Beats now go hear it.
Put a Afrobeat, big up yourself. Afrobeat joining.
Afrobeat?
Yeah.
The artist Afrobeat?
Yeah, man.
I am sing Joanna.
Yeah, man.
Joanna.
Then I'm a dukes, man.
Afrobeat. Me here you have to do be a dub for be a people here. Try and make sure you send me some song here. Oh. All right. Maggie, watch what me say now. Watch it. In every genre. What's the biggest thing in promoting a song? Is putting the song on the playlist. Where does the playlist go? Radio?
To DJs.
To DJs.
And
DJs are the pivot point of an artist's stardom.
Yeah.
See?
But not
so
in Jamaica. Not in Jamaica.
Watch me say. Jamaica is the only culture
that don't
where the artists don't respect the DJ. None at all.
That's why, Foota, I beg to differ and I differentiate myself over the years and rise above the standard of DJ so I can tell these artists, and me I ramp with, and that's for me bring it enough. Because they don't understand, and then the fans don't understand what we got through. All right. For instance, Foota, you remember one time I got clash, I remember the whole of the man them go and go and let them know and give me no tune. When I win the World Clash back to back. Remember that enough, Foota. Remember the whole of it. I'm win the World Clash back to back. First thing the man them start say, Matterhorn get too hype. Because at some point, Matterhorn and Lynx was so powerful that they must say Matterhorn get too powerful. So you know them though? Them don't give me no tune. And then just say, all right, you don't give me no tune. All right, me sing my one tune. I'm going to sing my one song. And it go, you see what got again.
All right, Maggie. This is just for me. Maggie, just look how this dangerous. All right. I'm gonna use example. See? Like when I talk about artists who are established, like when we boss Shabba them boss already.
Yeah.
Super Cat them boss already. So we can't talk for no glory for that. But we have artists where the world never, ever hear until we play them.
Till we play them.
Never hear them yet. You have Sizzla, where everybody love. Oh, Rick Sizzla, Luciana, Ricky Chupa first play them in the world.
Yeah.
And bust them and make them become zillionaire. Because Sizzla can't broke again for the rest of his life. Luciana can't broke again for the rest of his life. So, this is what we need for people understand. What we basically have say, we don't have no problem with the music and evolve and people are help push the music. And what the fans tend to think when these superstars embrace the music is that they're sorrying for us. No, we have the biggest music in the world.
Yes.
So sorry, them are sorry for you when they see Swiss Beats, them are do that.
So that's why
them know say.
Yeah.
Listen up, Swiss Beats, them know say. When them do this, it'll do something for them too. Nobody feel like say, I just Oh, me
the
I do something for Bunty and Beanie.
Ah.
No. Because them are lie on the numbers over the years. Them are lie on the numbers. Whole heap of dancehall artists sell platinum and them not do that. And them not tell us say you sell platinum. Them tell us say you sell thousand copy. Them hide their numbers. See? Them lie. Them fight dancehall right through.
Which
Dancehall
Shaggy and Shabba them and Sean Paul them
yeah.
say the breakthrough.
But brother, on a breakthrough, let me show you facts now. And people feel know so them a fight dancehall. Them know the biggest music, but them not give you glory. Which artist bigger than Berissa, man? Which local artist bigger than Berissa, man? None. Berissa full every stadium in America. But yet still, Berissa has never sell gold. Berissa, everybody in them house in America have a CD from Berissa. Or download some Berissa. Or stream some Berissa. But Berissa has never sell gold anywhere in America. Obviously, them are
legend.
Obviously, them are around the numbers. Everyone falls in love sometimes. But 20 years ago or 15 years ago.
Sure.
Everybody in America know everyone falls in love sometimes. But it don't sell platinum till too early and sing it over. You know why? I'm going to explain to you why, Maggie. Because Berissa is not signed to an international label. Berissa is signed to Harmony House, which he owns his own record label, independent. He will never get a Grammy. He will never get a Grammy